Hi guys, today is Friday and I am doing a video series on channel art. This video is going to be about your thumbnails for your videos. So as you can see, as of the past couple videos, I have updated my image, I guess you could say, on my channel. So I made a new banner, and that video was posted right before this one. So if you haven't seen it, stop this one, go back and check it, and see how that was made. It was the same process that I used to create this one with. And then you can come back and watch this one again. But this one, however you want to do this one, you can pull a picture from your video and work that way, or, you know, however, whatever works best for you. But this is what I liked for now, so I thought I would use this for a little while on my videos. I took a picture of me and I cut myself out. There were 3 of us in the picture, and obviously I didn't want the other 2 people in this picture for my video. But you could take any picture that you want and cut yourself out, or cut whatever it is out that you're wanting to focus on. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. These thumbnails are not huge. But yeah, let's get started on that. So our thumbnails, again, I am using paint.net for these. I do like PicMonkey. I love PicMonkey, but I didn't have the money to buy PicMonkey right now. So I am using what I had on my computer that I downloaded years ago. And since I have it, I'm going to use it. It's free, so use what you have, right? Save money where you can. You can get really good quality out of this. Granted, I know there are some aspects of mine that I'm not 100% happy with, but I threw this together really quick, and if you're going to go really quick, you're not going to get the better quality that you would get if you took your time to do it. Overall, though, it actually turned out to be pretty nice. And so yeah, we'll get started with this. The thumbnail size is 1800 by 1000. So we're going to go up and start anew. Okay, so we're going to type in these numbers. So the top number is going to be 1800. And the second number is going to be 1000. And then just hit OK. We're going to make our screen small enough to where we can actually see what we're doing. We're going to, if we've saved the background that we want on our computer, we're just going to select it by hitting the right button, right click on it, and then copy. If you didn't save it on your computer, that's fine. You can go to Yahoo or Google or wherever it is that you're looking for your image, and just right click on it right off the internet and use it. Just make sure it doesn't have a watermark on it. And stretch it out to where it fits your screen or your thumbnail, and then deselect. Add a new layer. And then you're going to select a picture or a clip art or whatever it is that you want to use. In this one, let's use a clip art. I would use my picture, but, well, I'm still going to use my picture. So in this one, I used a picture. If you want to see how I cut this picture out, I can do another video on that. Just leave me some comments below and we will get right on that. Okay, so now since we're on our new layer, we're just going to paste it. And then we're going to stretch it out and make it as big as we want it. And place ourselves where we want to be. The easiest way I know to do this is to deselect each time you get it in a place. Collect it again, or click it again, and then just stretch it out. And move yourself where you want to be, or your picture or your image or whatever it is. And that looks pretty good to me. So we're going to deselect. And then we're going to add another layer. What we're going to do now is come over here to the left-hand side in your tools bar, and you're going to select the rectangle. Over here beside yourself, you're going to hit or draw your square. And then you're going to select over in the tools section, there's a little paint bucket with some paint spilled out of it. Select that and then hit the inside of the box. That's going to fill your box in. If you don't like this color, that's fine. We can change that. Over here in your layers box, there is a little box on the right bottom corner. It's called properties. Click that. And you can adjust how opaque you want that box. Me, I still want to see the flowers behind it. You could change the color of your box if you would like. In my actual thumbnails, the box is white, but I kind of like how this burgundy one's kind of working, so we're going to leave that one burgundy for this, just this video. And then we're going to add another layer. In this box, we're going to actually write whatever it is the video is about. Okay, so this one's going to be about the Valentine's gifts on a $20 budget. So we're going to change our font to something that's legible. And then we're going to change the size till it fills up that box. And we're happy with it. Make sure it's bold, etc., etc. And center it. You can just use that little 4 arrow box to move your wording around until you're happy with it. And I think that's good. So now I'm going to go back to this box with the layer with the box in it. Double click on it so you know you got it selected. Hit white because I do not like how this is actually turning out. So we're just going to refill that box into a different color. Make it white so that your wording actually pops. And once you're done and you're happy with everything, you're just going to hit the top layer and you're going to merge all your layers down to where you only have one layer. Save it. Let's go one more layer because my wording went a little off skelter. And then text. Move it to where you want it. Line it up as best you can. Make it dark. And then merge it down. Voila. Alright, now you're going to save it. When you save it, save as. Always save as. Change the PNG over to a JPEG or a GIF. And name it whatever you want to name it. Go back to your channel. Select the video that you want to put your thumbnail on. That's not what I wanted. Okay, make sure you are in Video Manager. And then select the video you want to work on by hitting the Edit button. And now down here in this box right here is where you're going to select. I've already uploaded one, so it shows a picture of the image that I actually wanted. However, if you haven't put anything there, there's going to be words saying add a thumbnail. And you just click on that and it's going to take you to where you can choose an image from your computer. You will just go through that process by choosing the image that you just, good, gives me the option, change image. So you can just go through and select the image that you just saved. In this case, it's the Valentine's thumbnail. And then hit open and it'll automatically start uploading your image. Once you're done with that, save your changes on the page and you are live. Hope this helped you guys, and if you have any questions, please don't forget to comment in this section below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will have a couple more videos. I do have an end screen video to do, as well as some other specialties that I'll be popping out from time to time. So if you have any questions or have any suggestions on videos as far as maybe editing, how I cut my picture out of a picture of 3 people, etc., etc. If you want to know how to work more on the program that I use, just leave me a comment below and we will get a couple of videos done up so we can show you how to use it. Bye guys, enjoy your Friday and talk to you soon.